We're at Three-Dimensional Services Group, and Dan, this is pretty impressive. Why don't you give us a little background on what you guys do here?
Okay, well, the Three-Dimensional Services Group was founded by Douglas Peterson 31 years ago. We've grown into the world's largest, most capable, and most agile prototype and low-volume manufacturer. In essence, we're a job shop on steroids. We work with the world's most innovative companies to validate their designs, and then we're able to take our low volume manufacturing processes and scale them across a massive amount of equipment to allow us to support volumes that a traditional prototype shop would never be able to support. We're always working with our clients to accelerate their product development timelines and enable them to be as successful as possible by bringing their products to market as quickly as possible.
So you've got some of the big names here. Fuchs is one of the machines that most companies aspire to, but you said you've got 18 more coming or something?
16 coming over the next coming months, taking us to 88 machines in total. These are from brands like Starreg, Bavius, Hermli, Fuchs, Haas, YCM. We've got a variety of mills for a variety of applications. So metal stamping is the core of our business, and this press right here is one of the larger beds we have. This is a 1,500 ton press. It's one of 127 presses that we have company-wide. They've all got a variety of configurations allowing us to take on a variety of jobs. But really this is the core of our business. We are vertically integrated from a tool design perspective, run all our own parts, and then laser cut them as well. So this is all handled in-house, vertically integrated at a significant scale.
So how many presses do you have then?
127 presses ranging from 20 tons to 5,000 tons.
5,000, really? What do you do on a 5,000 ton press?
Tubular hydroforming.
Oh, hydroforming. Oh, okay, good. Okay, so we're moved over here and we're now standing in front of a Trump 7040 Trump laser, and we're going to hear a little bit about its capabilities. It's got 5 axes, did you say?
Yeah, this is a 5-axis laser. We've got 25 Trump 5-axis systems company-wide. This particular version is a 6 kilowatt machine. These are the finest 5-axis laser cutting machines available on the market. Yeah, so this is really the top of the line Trump equipment. Its software is integrated with our 2D lasers, allowing for us to cut blanks and instantly bring them over here and bend a perfect part repeatedly. We're going to be able to produce very, very precision parts very quickly at a significant scale with this sort of equipment, and we're very grateful to our partners at Trump that have given us this equipment to use here.
Okay, so Dan, I can see that we're moving pieces over here, and we're standing in front of some sort of a 3-axis welding system or whatever.
It's a cutting system.
It's a cutting system.
Yes, so this is our Trump True Store system. We've got a twin tower feeding a butterfly configuration, two 50, 40, 12 kilowatt 2D lasers are running off of this automation system, allowing us to keep these lasers running as efficiently as possible. The speed of these lasers when we get up to the power that we currently have absolutely necessitates this automation, allowing us to keep the laser running as often as possible.
You know, it's funny. Well, not really funny, but to me it's very interesting. You have a pre-production facility that I'm sure pretty much everybody would die to have. I'm surprised that you may be the biggest in the world right now, but I'm surprised you're not twice as big, because everything you're doing here is things that OEMs and Tier 1s should be doing.
Absolutely.
And I've seen progress slow right down with other companies, with bigger OEMs of any type, whether it's aerospace or appliances, whatever. They always slow down because they try and do it internally. This is the best thing as far as I'm concerned. And looking at what you've got going on here, it seems to me that if I was in that kind of a situation, that's what I'd want from you. So that's my assessment of everything I'm seeing here today.
Yeah, we appreciate that. And we want to work with the world's most innovative companies. We want to work with the companies that want to go fast and really change the world. We are a job shop. All of the capabilities that everybody's seen here are available to anybody that wants them. It's as simple as just sending us your data and getting a project started.
Thanks to the 3-Dimensional Services Group for sponsoring this video. Whether you're looking to source metal stamping, precision CNC machining, laser cutting, welded assembly, or plastic injection molding, the 3-Dimensional Services Group should be the source to transform your EV, aerospace, appliance, or technology designs into reality, while also providing a bridge to start of production.